Some of you guessed. We're at the Nature Walk Trail at the Franklin Mountains. I hope you take this time to appreciate the beauty and diversity around us, the living, the non-living. Take this moment to just silence your mind from all the noise, everything happening in our world. Enjoy the moment, enjoy the surroundings, take it all in, feel the rocks, feel the sand. I hope you have comfortable shoes. I'm wearing chacos today, best for hiking. Hope you have water. Check out the Chihuahuan desert plants around us. At the end of this nature walk, you will have an opportunity to either draw, sketch one of your favorite pieces of the walk, or you can write a poem. Can you hear the birds? Or you can write a paragraph or just bullet points. It's your opportunity to use descriptive language and just be creative. Figurative language. Just open space. Maybe we can have lunch here later. You see that sign back there? Don't take it lightly. They're here. It's a great place for a cookout. Become a birdier. Ooh, look at that bird. Hummingbird. They have feeders.